So quarantine wasn't so bad until I burnt all the hair off my hands. I don't know why, but I always wanted to build a wood-burning wood stove. So it starts off with cutting some wood. Just because you could do something doesn't mean you should. But when you're in quarantine and you have nothing else to do, crazy ideas don't sound so bad. Because it's a crazy idea doesn't mean you cut corners. I grabbed the speed square, made sure things were centered and aligned, and then kind of guesstimated it anyway. Nailed everything into place, and eventually made the shell of the firebox. No wood-burning stove would be complete without a glass door. The pocket hole jig made quick work of this. I didn't want the glass door moving around too much when I attached it to the hinge, so I used my new favorite product, super glue. After a quick couple sprays and literally 15 seconds of holding it into place, solid as a rock. Next, time to create the stovepipe with some misaligned wood. Finally, some quick miter work for some legs. Still have all 5 fingers. Pocket holes are rated for 1,000 pounds, right? I opened up the bottom for secondary airflow. And 0 effort later, I made a wooden grate. Pretty satisfied with this train wreck of a project. Let's try burning something. Standard fuel wasn't cutting it, so I moved on to something a little bit more spicy. And after burning all the hair off my hand, I reached for my hose and realized I put it away for the winter. By the time I doused the fire and made sure the neighbors didn't call the police again, I waited till the next morning to see the damage. All things considered, that doesn't look so bad. It'll definitely sand out or paint over it or something. I don't know what to tell you. I gotta get out of quarantine. I'm the Level 1 Builder. I'll see you around.